Well, sometimes I give you bonus material. If you're still watching, this is your bonus material. I'll probably make a separate video of this too. And title it under something. How to use carpet scissors or something. See? I'm going to use these carpet scissors now. See how they're bent? And the reason why they're bent is so that this part can get right down on the floor and your fingers are up off the carpet. Oh, these things are so sharp. And, you know, I think you can get those at Home Depot. I think I've seen them there, but the scissors I got here were, I bought them at a carpet wholesale house when I was a contractor years ago. And I still have those carpet scissors. Still have them after all these years. If you take good care of your tools, they'll take care of you. Okay, so now, see, I see all kinds of stuff on the top here from cleaning this off. See all the different fur stuff on here. And I see those pieces, I'm going to decide not to cut those. Because I'll let it dry all the way, and then I'll use some crazy glue. And this flat part I can just kind of run it sideways and then cut off lots of the loose stuff. Man, there's a lot of stuff on here too from me just using that brush that much on there. And lots of this will settle down after we start walking on it. You know. But I figured I'd go over it and kind of show you what I do. See, there's a piece here that I can see that if I cut it, there's a few pieces, if I cut those, that I'll have a hole in there. And so I'm going to choose not to cut those. See, just that little bit, I'm getting all kinds of stuff off of there. And it's just the nature of the beast. It's just the type of carpet this is. It's not really the best. I don't know why they would make something like this for floor mats. We just decided to use this one at the kitchen, by the kitchen sink. Can you imagine if we used that coming into the garage? This thing would be so dirty and it would have hardly taken anything. See, those two are big enough that if I cut them, I can see there's a little hole, so I'm gonna choose to not cut those. That one was kind of a long one, but there's no hole where I've got it cut off, so I'm good to take that one off. You remember, this area here was where lots of those fuzzies were when I initially first started, you know. Get those pulled up. There's no way you could do this quick and this easy with regular scissors. See all that I just cut off of there? Just by using these flat scissors. And then I keep them in my a tool bag where I've got them in a slot, because I don't like to have anything banging them or wanting to dull up the edge or blunt the tip or anything like that. This, you know what these scissors are good for too? Cutting off tags in your clothes, or like for pillows. You ever bought a pillow and try to cut the tag off? You're like, oh man, I can't get it close enough. These will get it really close. You just have to be careful not to get it too close sometimes. But I'll whip these out, even washcloths and towels, you know, for the shower, for the bathroom, those kind of things. These carpet scissors work really super good. I never know. And I've shown you how to use carpet scissors to cut other things, like carpet even. Hey, what a novel idea is that? Rightio. Okay. I'm not going to spend too much more time on this thing. But if you can imagine, the little bit that I cut right there, just about every one of these had a little nib coming up where I literally had to do this, you know, all the way after Mommy put this through the washing machine. And it didn't come out looking any cleaner than what this one does. Okay, see those carpet scissors again? See how they go like that? And so after this gets dry all the way, I'll just have to make a note of it and remember to glue these back down in. I can see there's one, you know, you saw the bits where I didn't push it down. And before I glue it, I'll pull it back like that, make a hole, put a drop in there of crazy glue. And I usually use the crazy glue gel, not the crazy glue itself. And then I'll take a little screwdriver and just poke the ends down and then hold it in there for like a 5 count. And then what I found is as I release it, sometimes after a while, the glue's going to get on your little screwdriver tip. And so I'll take the tip, instead of pulling it straight out, because if I pull it straight out, sometimes it pulls the carpet strand back up. I'll have the screwdriver in there, push it down, and then I'll twist it to try to break it off of there and then pull it out. All these things I've learned along the way, and I've done lots of carpet repairs that way, and on rugs. In fact, I've got a rug right now that's got a little hole in it. I'm going to have to find a little strand of the same colored carpet and glue it in there to fix it. It even came like that from the manufacturer. Now, how crazy is this? We didn't see it when they brought it in, and after, of course, they left, and after a few days, I'm feeling around, I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, what happened here? A whole little piece of carpet strand was missing. You probably want me to show you that, huh? I could show you it really quick. I'll show you what's happening with that. I think I can go directly to it, because at first I could hardly see it. See this rug? Isn't this a nice rug? But see how thick it is, and the top, how it's level looped. And if you're not careful with this stuff, you'll catch an edge. Like, see, even here, if this starts pulling loose, I'm going to have to get my crazy glue gel out and get it in there. See, like that one. I don't want to pull that or anything. I get some crazy glue and glue it back down in there. And I want to check this. You don't want to cut these ends off, because then you'll leave this hole like that. I put the crazy glue gel in there and then push that down in like that. You'll never see it. Okay? But look at, here's that spot right there. See there? And from standing back, if I told you there's a little spot on that carpet, would you know where it is? No. I know where it is. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more, yes, more videos. I'm not going to stop making videos for a long time. So when I make another little project, I'll make a video of it. And of course, I'll upload it to my channel.